How to get rid of strawberry legs. Strawberry legs is a common skin condition that many people experience, especially on the legs. But what exactly causes this bumpy, red appearance, and how can it be addressed? Strawberry legs, also known as keratosis pilaris, is the result of clogged hair follicles that give the skin a dotted or pitted look, similar to the surface of a strawberry. This occurs when excess keratin, a protein found in skin, builds up and traps dirt, oil, and dead skin cells inside the follicles. The main causes of strawberry legs include dry skin, genetic factors, hormonal changes, and certain skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis. Shaving, harsh scrubbing, and using products with fragrances or alcohol can also contribute to the development of strawberry legs by irritating the skin. While strawberry legs is a harmless condition, it can be frustrating from an aesthetic standpoint. Fortunately, there are ways to minimize its appearance through proper skincare, including gentle exfoliation, moisturizing, and using non-comedogenic, non-pore clogging products. Seeking treatment from a dermatologist may also provide relief for those struggling with persistent strawberry legs. Strawberry legs, a common skin condition characterized by small, red or dark spots that resemble the surface of a strawberry, can be a frustrating issue. However, there are several effective home remedies that can help treat this condition naturally. One of the most popular remedies is using a sugar or salt scrub. The exfoliating properties of sugar or salt can help unclog pores and remove dead skin cells that contribute to the appearance of strawberry legs. Simply mix equal parts of sugar or salt with a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, and gently scrub the affected areas in the shower. Another natural solution is to soak in an oatmeal bath. Colloidal oatmeal has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and irritation associated with strawberry legs. Add a cup of ground oatmeal to your bath water and soak for 15-20 minutes. Applying a baking soda paste to the affected areas can also be an effective home remedy. Baking soda has natural exfoliating and drying properties that can help unclog pores and reduce the appearance of strawberry legs. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with just enough water to create a paste, then gently scrub it onto your skin. By incorporating these natural home remedies into your skincare routine, you can effectively treat strawberry legs and achieve smoother, more even-toned skin. If you're struggling with the appearance of strawberry legs, there are professional treatments and procedures that can help. Consulting a dermatologist is the best way to get an accurate diagnosis and develop an effective treatment plan. Some common clinical treatments for strawberry legs include laser hair removal, chemical peels, and prescription topical medications. Laser treatments can target and destroy the hair follicles, reducing the appearance of bumps and discoloration. Chemical peels help exfoliate the skin and unclog pores. Prescription creams and lotions may also be recommended to address underlying conditions like keratosis pilaris. It's important to work closely with a qualified dermatologist to determine the right professional treatments for your specific case of strawberry legs. They can evaluate the root causes and recommend the safest, most effective clinical procedures to help you achieve smoother, more even-toned skin. Strawberry legs, a common skin condition characterized by the appearance of small, red or dark spots on the legs, can be a frustrating issue for many. However, there are several preventative measures you can take to keep this condition at bay. Exfoliating regularly is key to preventing strawberry legs. Using a gentle body scrub or dry brushing can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, reducing the likelihood of ingrown hairs that can lead to strawberry legs. Be sure to exfoliate a few times per week for best results. Proper shaving techniques are also important. Always shave with the grain of the hair, use a sharp razor, and apply a shaving cream or oil to minimize irritation. Avoid shaving too closely, as this can increase the risk of ingrown hairs. Moisturizing the skin is another effective preventative measure. Applying a rich, nourishing body lotion or oil after showering can help keep the skin hydrated and supple, reducing the appearance of strawberry legs. By incorporating these simple steps into your routine, you can help keep strawberry legs at bay and maintain smooth, healthy-looking skin on your legs. Strawberry legs, a common skin condition characterized by dark spots or dots on the legs, is often misunderstood. Let's debunk some of the common myths and misconceptions surrounding this harmless condition. Myth: strawberry legs are caused by poor hygiene. This is not true. Strawberry legs are primarily caused by enlarged pores or hair follicles, which can trap dirt, oil, and dead skin cells, giving the appearance of dark spots. Myth: strawberry legs are a sign of a serious underlying health condition. In most cases, strawberry legs are a cosmetic issue and do not indicate any underlying health problems. However, in rare instances, they may be a symptom of a skin condition like keratosis pilaris. Fact: strawberry legs are a common and harmless condition. It affects people of all skin types and tones, and is not a sign of poor health or hygiene. Fact: proper skincare and exfoliation can help minimize the appearance of strawberry legs. Gentle cleansing, moisturizing, and using a body scrub or dry brushing can help unclog pores and reduce the visibility of the condition. By understanding the facts and dispelling the myths, individuals can feel more confident and comfortable in their own skin, regardless of the appearance of their legs. Strawberry legs can be an unwelcome skin condition, but with the right approach, it can be effectively managed. By understanding the causes, adopting gentle exfoliation, and exploring targeted treatments, you can achieve the smooth, blemish-free skin you desire. Remember, consistency and patience are key when addressing this common issue. With the right skincare routine and a positive mindset, you can confidently embrace the natural beauty of your skin.